Hi Drastic Cuties, Winnie here. It's pun art time, and today we're going to be drawing one in the melon. So let's get started. To draw the sweet watermelon, let's first start by drawing a soft triangle. So I'm going to start right at the top right here and just round off a tip. And then from there I'm just going to bring down a line, an angle line, but it's going to be soft, slightly curved. So same thing on the other side. So I'm making it slightly curved because I want my watermelon to be cute. So it's nice and soft. Okay, so from there, all right, in this area, I'm going to round it off for the corner. And same thing over here. So let's make sure about the same on the other side. And then same thing, just round it off. And from there, I'm just going to go ahead and connect it. All the way across. There. So I got a nice big slice of watermelon in. And so then now let's draw the details inside. The first one I'm going to do is come in here and draw the rind area. So I'm just going to bring in a curve. And to make it easier, I'm going to use this point, drag it right across since I'm drawing big, so I know where to go. So I'm just going to follow my bottom curve and go right back to that point I created. Okay, so then from there, let's bring this watermelon to life. So kind of in this area, I'm going to start with a circle, but it's not going to be a complete circle. The bottom is going to be cut off with a curve. So just remember that. So something like this. And then at the bottom, I'm just going to put in a little soft curve. So same thing on the other side. So right here. So we're still making them draw so cute eyes, but we're giving this watermelon some cheeks. So soft curve at the bottom. So let's come in here. Just like draw so cute eyes, we're going to put 2 small circles inside for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom, and same thing over here. Okay, so we have the eyes in. Let's come above each eye. I'm going to draw a soft curve. And then in between the eyes, let's add a sweet smile. I'm going to go up a little bit on this side and cap it off. Aww, so sweet already, right? So then let's draw some seeds. Right in the center, I'm going to start with the first one. It's basically like drawing a teardrop. So one. Put another one about right here. And one more. There. And we're just going to go in and shade it in since it's black. Okay, so now for the hands, I'm going to come this side first, and about this area, I'm just going to draw a slight curve that comes down and then bends in. So this hand is supposed to be kind of like behind his back, behind the watermelon's back. And then on this side, the hand's going to be coming out and say about right here. I'm going to thicken this up. And he's holding kind of like a #1 sign, right? So right here, we'll come give a little cuff area for the hand, and we're going to draw a thumb first, and then the two fingers that fold over. So just two ovals, and then connect it with a curved back. And then we're going to stick the finger up here, the number 1. Because you're 1 in a million, right? Okay, so then we're pretty much done. Oh, except I'm going to put a little heart right here, of course. And then I'm going to write 1 in a melon right underneath. So basically add a curve. I'm following the bottom. I'm going to start about right here. And I'm just following the curve. 1. In a melon. Okay, so I put melon up here, so all right here. So there, hope you love how this cute little watermelon pun art turned out, and I've inspired you to draw it too. Thanks so much for watching, and if you haven't already, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.